This video will show you how to set up a two-factor authentication with your Wells Fargo.
Hey all, so since I don't have a Wells Fargo account, then let me show you how to do it. So you should first log in and go to your Wells Fargo and log into your bank online banking account. Then go to your security settings. Click on security and support that is usually in the top right corner or under the profile menu. Next, go to select extra security at sign in. Since you want a two-factor authentication, then you would also want an extra security service. So look for advanced access or extra security at sign on. Next is you should register your device, add your mobile number if not already, then choose your preferred verification method if you want it to be text or voice call. Once you have entered your device mobile number is that you need to verify it. You should receive a one-time code via SMS or call and enter it when prompted.